These 5 pieces of gear that I use are essential to creating highly captivating visuals. First, you want to start with a high quality camera that has some kind of zoom lens. This here is a 24-70. This is my go-to for all situations. When in doubt, pick the 24-70. Next, I'm gonna have to go with a sturdy tripod. Please never underestimate the magic of a static shot. I got my tripod from Peak Design. It is stable, it is compact, and I can pack it up when I'm on the go. One of my favorites, a drone. I use the DJI Mavic Mini 2. It shoots 4K and 24. It's a good way to get some establishing clips, and these create highly stunning visuals and not only add production value to your videos, but allow your viewers to get an idea of where things are taking place. This next piece is super essential for all outdoor shoots, especially when things are in bright light. This is a variable ND filter. This is like sunglasses for your camera. This reduces the amount of light that is entering the camera and allows you to shoot at a higher ISO without sacrificing image quality. I get all my filters from Prism Lens Effects. They are amazing quality and still very affordable. And last but not least, this one is very slept on, but you can never have enough spare batteries. The last thing you want to be is out in the field and your only battery is about to die, yet you still have more to shoot. Do yourself a big favor and get yourself some good quality spare batteries.